Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's going to be a quick unboxing and a little bit of chit chat about the Louis Vuitton Murakami collection drop 2, which is the Cherry Blossom collection. If you are interested in what I picked up and also some of the things that I went through to get it, then stay tuned and keep watching. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags as I love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. All right, today's eye candy, the bag I'm using is this one. This is the Oleada mini anchor bag. It's one of the earliest bags that I got from the brand, and they have since done different renditions of this. So they have longer ones, smaller ones, different material. But this one I wanted to bring up because if you've seen the recent Chanel like 25p, I think they're still trickling into stores even though it's 25s now. But they have this style, this like kind of flat-ish tall vanity. And if you like the look but you don't want to spend the Chanel price tag, I would highly recommend looking into this because this one's actually on sale right now. And also I have a promo code that you can get additional discount off of the sale price. So it's a very good deal right now. And yeah, honestly, it's just been so versatile. Like I can wear this as a backpack, crossbody, top handle, and it could fit so much in here. Yeah, I've just been loving using this. And so far it's been, I think, a year or more now that I don't see any wear and tear. So yeah, it's durable as well. So I'll link this below as well as the discount code below. So the Murakami Cherry Blossom collection, which is something that people have been talking about a lot lately. So by the time this video goes live, the official launch date of this collection would have already occurred in stores and online. Let's rewind a little bit. On March 14th, 2025, there was a pre-launch of this item, and a lot of people were talking about what time to get online to do this. Now, some people, I'm talking about like prestige, and not even all prestige. I've heard in the forums that some prestige clients from Louis Vuitton did not get offered to pre-order anything this time. The first drop, the Murakami multicolor and the super flats, those, the prestige VVIC and VIC customers were able to place a pre-order. I myself was able to, but when I asked my SA about the second drop, the Cherry Blossom collection, she was not able to help me. But the night before, she did tell me, hey, it's gonna drop on the 14th. So go online at 6 a.m. Pacific. And I was like, I heard it was 5 a.m. She goes, no, it's 6 a.m. Pacific. So I was like, okay. I have a few things on my list. I originally wanted a bucket bag. But then I thought of other things that I wanted instead. And personally, I did not want to wake up 5 a.m. So I was like, okay, if it's 6 a.m., great. I'll just wake up like a few minutes before 6 and I'll hop on. There are two ways that people were able to go shop for this collection. The first way is on the Louis Vuitton website. And so you could do that through your mobile device, iPad, computer, laptop, whatever. The other way is the app on your phone. So if you downloaded the Louis Vuitton app, you'll be able to also shop that way. So bright and early, I think I got in right at 6. I was like, hey, if they have it, great. If not, I didn't like wake up too early for nothing kind of thing. But I just also was curious like what the process was, just because the first time that I did it, I didn't go through this. So I signed in on the website, and immediately when I got to the Cherry Blossom section, it popped up this like notification that, hey, you're in line. I think you have like 10 minutes and you'll be entered at random, and something about like it's not saved, whatever's in your cart, you must like check out or something and get confirmation for shipment. I forgot what exactly it said, but I'll pop it here, which I thought was interesting. And I think a lot of people at this point waited for an hour. Luckily for me, I only waited like 5 minutes, I think, and I got in. And so I already kind of knew what I wanted before. And so I went straight to those because I know I only had 10 minutes. So I went straight to those and I like added to my cart. I was able to add it. There was one item that I wanted that wasn't available, and I'm like, it's fine. I don't really care. about it. I just want something from the collection. And then I browsed some more and I found some other stuff that I was like, okay, maybe this one. Ultimately, I ended up with 2 items and I checked out. And this is still through the website on my phone though. And I was entering my stuff and it popped up a notifications like one of the items is out of stock. I couldn't tell which one. And I was like, okay, whatever. I'll still check out with the one that I have. And so I refreshed, or I think I pressed like next, and then it carried next. And then I did see that the total ended up reflecting 2 items and not one. So I was like, okay, well maybe it's now back in my cart. I don't know, because I never removed it. It just told me it was out. And then I was like, just keep going. And yeah, I checked out, got a confirmation saying like it went through, paid with credit card. I was gonna ship it to my store, but I was like, it's probably gonna get messy, so I'll just ship it to myself. Waited for the email. I got the email confirmation, and then I decided to like browse around some more and then look at my account online. I did not see the order, so I think this just hasn't refreshed, but I then got kicked out because it's been 10 minutes. So then I started looking around the forum and people were like, oh, there's better luck for some people on the app. So then I go to the app, I downloaded the app. I don't have the app at this point. I downloaded it, signed in, and there's no waiting room. So you can just go, but there are a lot more items that were not available. Like it's like coming soon or notify me. So I'm just clicking around, and one of the items that I had wanted was available there. And I was like, okay, should I add it? I was like, nah, yeah, I'm fine. So anyway, my point is trying to tell you that there are 2 ways to do this. So I don't know if the last drop, which I think is the cherry collection with a denim, will be like this, but if it is a fend for yourself situation where essays are not really helping too much, or only some essays are able to do something, this may be something you want to download, like the app, ahead of time. So there is no like explanation for why some people were let into from the waiting room to shop and some people waited a long time. I have no idea. And I do know that people were able to shop at 5 a.m. Pacific, or I think that means 8 a.m. Eastern. And so, yeah, whereas some people are just kept in the waiting room this whole time. And it's definitely not like a first come, first serve, because I popped in at around 6 a.m. and I got in 5 minutes. So I obviously was not waiting for the line of people that came before me. And I don't believe I was signed in at this moment, because I just went straight to the collection. It was not until I was checking out that I signed in. So they don't even know who I am, I don't think. I don't know, unless they track like IP addresses or something. I don't know. Anyway, that was just sharing the process. And I know that fast forward to Friday, a week later, so March 21st, this is the official launch day. So before it was just a pre-launch, pre-sale, whatever. Now it's actually a official launch date. I didn't participate in this one since I already got things that I wanted, but I did pop in and check throughout the day, and things were just all on notify me, which is fine, because I was just curious. But yeah, I would love to hear what your experience was, and if you got anything from this collection, if you were trying to, what your strategy was. But yeah, overall, I tried not to get too stressed or spend too much time on it. Let's get on to the unboxing. So only one of the items that I got actually shipped and got delivered. The other one is still stuck. It's delayed. I don't know what's happening, and it's like annoyingly just somewhere. But anyway, let's just get on with this one. I'm excited because the first time that I got the Murakami collection, the multicolor, I did not get any Murakami packaging at all. And I do like my packaging, but you know, I was like, it's fine, because I'd rather have the item than the packaging. But now, look, I have the ribbon. And I know a lot of people have like a mix of ribbon or, you know, tag, the panda tag, or tissue paper. But yes, this one came with the, just the ribbon, which is fine. I don't have the tag. They have this like, they have this tag, but I don't think it's anything special. Let me just, yeah, it's just the usual one that you would get from Louis Vuitton. That's fine. I am glad I got the ribbon. So let's get it. I don't know if you can tell what this is. It's very small. Okay, so I did not get the special tissue paper. I just got the regular damier tissue paper. And to reveal, don't know if you guessed it right, the little bandeau. This one is the brown monogram with the cherry blossom faces. So let me hold it closer. So you can see that it is the silk material and it has the beautiful Murakami designs. This one I've seen the model. So on one side, okay, on one side it's just plain and it says Louis Vuitton. And then it has this at the end. The other side's a lot more ornate with the cherry blossoms. And yeah, so you can wear it either way. This is made in Italy. So I've seen online the model wearing it on the wrist as a belt. I don't even know if I could wear this as a belt. I guess you can. I guess that's kind of cute if you want to cinch in something. Oh, by the way, this sweater is so cozy and so soft. This is one that I've shared on my channel, I think my previous video now, but look how like snatched it looks like. Like I do not have a waist, like a defined waist, but yeah, I think this actually, like, you know, cozy sweaters generally look really billowy, and it does have that billowy feel on top, but it creates this crisscross and it like just sucks you in. It's comfortable, but it gives you shape. So I got this one at Estier. I will link this one below if you're interested. It's very cozy, and yeah, it's not too hot because it does have like this deep V-neck, but I love it. I've been loving it. So I have a promo code angeleyn22 if you want to get a discount, 22% off this item as well. So I'll link it below. Other ways that you can wear this bandeau, it's actually tying it on the handle of your bag. So for example, let's say my Kelly, you can tie this. It's gonna take me more time, but let me just do it really quick so that I can kind of show you what it looks like. So I mean, it just creates a very cute like look, and then without being too overwhelming. So you just have like a peak of cherry blossoms, so it doesn't look too in your face. And yeah, so I think it looks really nice. If you wanted something from the collection and to be able to dress up anything, because I could use this on a different bag as well, so it would be very versatile. I wasn't originally going to get this one, but when I saw that, I didn't really want a bag because I thought it was too bam. The flowers, even though I like it, was too bam in your face. I decided that I actually don't want a bag, and if anything, I want to get SLGs. So one of the things that I thought would be nice if I did not get an SLG was to get something like this or like a charm. So this one is actually very versatile, I think. So I'm glad I was able to get it. There was also a pink version, but that one was sold out when I got to the website. So that's fine. I think this one is more durable. Like, it doesn't get dirty, or if it gets dirty, you can't tell as easily. So I think I will use it more. So yes, I have one more item coming. I don't know if you guessed this one correct, but I wonder if you can guess the other one. I hope it does come soon because it's like I said, delayed, and it's kind of annoying because you're just like waiting. But yeah, I would love to hear if you picked up anything on the pre-launch or during the actual launch date and what you got. And are you planning on getting anything from the cherry collection? I think I'm gonna pass on the cherry collection. That's what I feel like right now. So I don't know. This whole thing has just been, I know it's been very crazy. Like, it just creates a lot of hype and stress, but what are you gonna do, right? Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.